Hi everyone, this is Mark of TechPinas. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well. So are you currently an aspiring YouTuber, vlogger, or video content creator? And you're on the lookout for a good and affordable wireless microphone to pair with your mirrorless camera, but your budget for it is less than 5,000 pesos? Well, I have something that I want to recommend to you. This is the BOYA XM6 S1 wireless microphone, and this one is available for only 4,499 pesos at JGSuperstore by Juan Gadget. So before I give you the 5 things I like about this product, here's a quick unboxing for you. So the first thing I like about the BOYA XM6 S1 is just how easy it is to use. So right out of the box, all you have to do is to turn on the transmitter and the receiver, and then you clip on the transmitter to your clothing and you connect the receiver to your mirrorless camera via the microphone port using the provided cable, and then you're good to go. You can already shoot your video. It's that easy. You don't have to do anything extra to connect the receiver to the transmitter. They connect instantly as soon as you turn them on. The second thing I like about this product is just how portable and lightweight it is. The transmitter is small and compact enough to be clipped to your clothes, as you can see here. I have mine clipped to my polo shirt, while the receiver is also small enough to be mounted on top of your mirrorless camera. Now, if you prefer to hide the transmitter, you can always use the provided lavalier microphone in the package. All you have to do is to connect it to the microphone port of the transmitter and then clip the lavalier microphone to your clothing. The third thing I like about the BOYA XM6 S1 is the remarkable audio quality that it delivers. To give you an idea of the sound that you can get from this 4,499 wireless microphone, all the talking head clips in this video were recorded using the BOYA XM6 S1 wireless microphone. Offhand, I think that my vocals sound very clear using this device. Just for comparison, here's a sample audio recording using just the onboard microphone on my Canon EOS M6 mirrorless camera. And now we're back to using the BOYA XM6 S1 wireless microphone. So, what do you think? Does my voice sound better? Do you hear less background noise? While we are on the topic of audio quality, here's a tip that I want to give you. As you've seen in my unboxing, there's a wind muff included in the official retail package, and I suggest that you use it whether you are recording videos indoor or outdoor. So did you know that this is my second time shooting all of my videos for this review? So I had to do that reshoot because all of my initial clips had wind noise from my electric fan. And it's because I didn't use the provided wind muff, because I thought that, you know, I was just recording indoors and there will be less wind noise anyway. But sadly, the wind noise from my electric fan was all too loud and could be heard in the clip, so I decided to do it all over again. So if I had a tip that I want to share, just always put the wind muff on your transmitter. So the fourth thing I like about this device is the long battery life coming from a full charge. So the transmitter gives you 7 hours while the receiver delivers 6.5 hours. And I think that's more than enough for your average YouTuber, vlogger, or video content creator. I mean, 6 or 7 hours of uptime is really longer than the battery life of most mirrorless cameras coming from a full charge. For a tech content creator like me, I usually shoot my review videos for around 1 to 2 hours. So the 6 to 7 hours of uptime delivered by the lithium-ion batteries on the transmitter and the receiver of the BOYA XM6 S1 gets 2 thumbs up from me. And finally, the fifth and final thing I like about the BOYA XM6 S1 is the stable signal transmission with an operating range of 100 meters that this wireless microphone delivers. This long range, enabled by the 2.4 GHz wireless transmission, allows for great flexibility for many content creators, especially those who also do their own narration away from the camera. Here's a bonus feature that I love about this product. The receiver of the BOYA XM6 S1 has a built-in headphone port which allows you to monitor audio that's being recorded from the transmitter. Monitoring or checking audio during the shoot itself greatly minimizes the need for video reshoots due to bad audio. And this feature of this product is very handy or very useful for vloggers, YouTubers, or video content creators who own a mirrorless camera that doesn't have a built-in headphone port. Alright, so there you have it. That's the BOYA XM6 S1 wireless microphone. That's now available at JGSuperstore by Juan Gadget for only $4,499. So get it, I highly recommend it. Again, this is Mark of TechPinas. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to the TechPinas YouTube channel. Bye for now, stay safe, and see you again soon.